Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So let's talk about how to download and install iOS 26 better early. So right now I'm currently having iOS 18.5. And as you can see right here, I have a photo that says iOS 18 will be or iOS 19 will be crossed out and we're going to focus or skip ahead to iOS 26. So what are the features to expect on this one? So if you go to your website, for example, the Apple website right there, there's going to be a lot of new updates. As you can see right here, the very first one would be the fluid, beautiful new look. Next one would be the new capabilities powered by Apple Intelligence. However, there is going to be a summarize option here. So I'm just going to use my application of ChatGPT right there and basically ask him or it what's the new one for Apple 26. So these are going to be the summarize options or summarize new updates. As mentioned, the liquid glass full design is going to be the first one. Next one is the smarter Apple Intelligence for visual, live, and then for Siri or battery optimization. You'll notice that battery optimization is going to be always up the top. Third one would be messages and phone enhancements. Going for messages and phone application. For messages, your group chat will be enabled powerfully. Phone app will be unified and layout for recents. Now talking about the upgraded native applications, which are going to be the camera and photos. For the update for camera, that would be streamlined camera controls. Safari would be edge-to-edge browsing for floating toolbar. For Apple Music, that will be actually a really good update because right now they're gonna install Auto Mix DJ. For maps, wallet and game apps would be upgraded for the standard game sub, airport boarding, and of course, learn your routines for your maps. Also, there will be developer tools and platform consistency. I'm gonna show you the developer tools later on. So basically, for that one, let's talk about the supported iPhones. Of course, right here, I think iPhone XR is the minimum requirement to get this new update. Moving forward for that one, iPhone XR and XS will not be available anymore. For example, iPhone 8 will not be available for iPhone 19 or 26. Now, for this update, you're going to have at least 6 to 7 gigabytes of space. So I recommend that 15 gigabytes will be free for a smooth installation. Next up, always back up your phone, meaning before the installation began, I suggest you back up your phone or data entirely. That's really important, especially for iCloud. All right. So once that's done, speaking about developer and how can we enable or install this one, I suggest you go on this website. That will be developer.apple.com. Would be this one right here. And just scroll to iPhone right there and sign up for the beta list. Now, once you have signed up and installed the beta list, go to your settings and basically go to general. Give me a second here to go back. And go to iPhone storage right there. Look for software update. And right here, you can see beta update developer beta and check for iOS 26 if it's available. Because right now it's still not available. They're just talking about it. Anyway, that's going to be the new things on iOS 26. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.